to make, and it's again thanks, a gratitude to the Thai. The Thai Prime Minister mentioned that if you look at the balance of trade, in terms of both trade with the DTI and tourism, it's in favor of Thailand. Meaning, mas maraming Pilipinong turista sa Thailand kaso sa Thai tourist sa Philippines. And mas maraming produkto na pumapasok in the Philippines from Thailand than, tama Sekmon, di ba? But it is bihira po, bihira na yung host o yung pong lamang sa balance of trade ang siyang magsasabing, let's do something about it. And he made it very clear in the bilaterals that in both in tourism and trade and in other, of course they made it clear that Thai businessmen would like the opportunity to invest and do things in the Philippines. But the Thai Prime Minister in behalf of the Thai people also made it very clear that they want to balance it out. So that's very good news for us because tourism is one of the industries that is most inclusive. For every 2 tourists, 1 job is created in the Philippines, and micro, small, and medium enterprise thrive on tourism. So let me stop there, but let me congratulate the Team Philippines and Philippine media for covering, because it's been a successful round sa buong ASEAN, and we're looking for more exciting, not necessarily non-controversial, because there are going to be some issues that will need a lot of diplomacy with other regions, but there's also going to be some controversy or some exciting movement in ASEAN in asserting itself in the world stage. Thank you, Secretary.
Okay.